Seriously? And the CL100 didn't get it. It's alright.
Say the plan is an invitation for abuse.
Here it goes.
The National Weather Service.
There it goes.
Southern Florida until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Hendry. Locations impacted include Sun Island and Miles at the intersection of Highway 29 and I-75. Hazard, 60 miles protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Collier and Hendry.
This is Radio WXK83.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Collier and Hendry.
Alright, that came out of nowhere.